Actually, I think I confess now, but I used to have Kekora Senpai's laugh as my alarm for a while. Yeah. I mean, I have trouble waking up in the morning, and I need something catchy. And once I had my phone like upstairs, and then I was like on the couch just chilling, and I forgot to turn off the alarm, and then I like kind of fell asleep on the couch. And then I kept hearing this like weird laughter coming from somewhere in the house. I was like, what is this? Like, is my house haunted? And then yeah. I just forgot to turn off my alarm. Yeah, I changed it after that. I got scared. I was like, oh my god, it's like there's like laughing coming from somewhere, and it's not from the TV, it's not from my Switch. Like, where is it coming from? For a time, I think my alarm was actually whatchamacallit, Basilgis from Monster Hunter, the theme. Dun da 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 da. Yeah, once I almost fell off the bed because it surprised me too much, so I had to change that too.